Hi everyone, this is one of my archived clips that I've had for a little while, and it's quite an unusual situation, so I thought I'd do a little bit of an analysis on my own driving to allow you into my mindset and what I was thinking as we overtake an ambulance with blue lights on. That's right, it's got blues on. We're heading northbound on the M57, one of the motorways in Liverpool, and we're coming up to a junction on the left. And as you can see, this is where the ambulance comes from. And as soon as I saw the ambulance, I deactivated my cruise control, and now we're sitting at maybe 65 miles an hour. I quickly realised that this is probably the top speed of the ambulance, so I move out. But my mindset is to not inconvenience the ambulance whatsoever, so I move all the way to lane 3. There's no point bunching all the traffic up around the emergency vehicle, so I get back to the speed limit and make my way past. As you'll see, me moving to lane 3 gives the ambulance free rein to move to lane 2 whenever they wish. But at this moment, I'm watching my mirror very carefully, and I'm making certain the ambulance is not going to be catching me, even just by 1 miles per hour. At this part of the clip, the ambulance does seem to be matching my speed a little better, but it's not catching me. So I'm constantly aware and ready to move back in if needed. But I don't need to. The ambulance chooses lane 1. And this is a nice piece of driving from the red car that we've just passed. It couldn't and shouldn't use the hard shoulder to allow the ambulance to pass, so it moves to lane 2, allows the ambulance to make its progress, and watch it closely now. It pops back in. When the emergency service vehicle chose that lane, I knew it was problem solved because I knew that that road heads off. But how would you have dealt with that situation? Would you have been worried about going past the ambulance with blues on? And was there anything that you think that I could have and should have done differently? Please let me know in the comments, and as always everyone, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you all soon.